Do you want to know how you can log into your Examroom.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Examroom.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar and search for Examroom.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the official login page of Examroom.ai. Go ahead and write down your email address and the password associated with your Examroom.ai account. After you hit the email address and password, go ahead and click sign in. This way, you can sign in to your Examroom.ai account. In case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password, and you can see accessibility login. If you click on it, it will take you to a candidate login portal where you can log into your Examroom.ai as well. So go ahead and enter your name, your password, and then click login. This way you can log in to accessibility login as well. So if you don't have an Examroom.ai account, go ahead and click sign up and create an account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log into Examroom.ai was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.